Hello guys, so today we will going to unbox a new phone Mi 11X Pro. I got this device by exchanging my old device Redmi Note 8 Pro. I got the huge discount of 14,500. So that's the reason I won't want to miss this deal. So let's reveal what's inside the package. So here is Mi 11X Pro. So this is the device we ordered from Amazon. It cost me around 23k after replacing my older device Redmi Note 8 Pro 128GB variant. So as you can see the specification of this device, it originally cost 40,000. It has the processor of Qualcomm Snapdragon 888. It has 120Hz Full HD AMOLED display, 360Hz sampling rate. It has 108 megapixel rear camera with ultra wide and telemacro lens. As you can see the specification, if you want to read the specification you can pause this video. So let's and one more thing, that it is the 8GB and 128GB variant. So let's unbox it. Are you ready guys? Let's do it. Dun, dun, dun. Dun, dun. So at the start of the box we get the leaflet. Here it is written designed by Xiaomi. Let's see what's inside it. It is a flagship device. So we get normal silicone case, transparent. We will put it aside. USB type C to 3.5mm audio jack, cause it don't have any audio slots, and the SIM tray ejector, and a simple user guide. Pretty useless. So here is a device. We will wait aside. Let's see what's inside this box. Oh, here we got the charger adapter. Let me show you. It is 33 watt fast charger. It supports ultra power charging, and obviously the main thing, USB type C USB. So finally here is our phone. I have ordered the black color variant. Let's unwrap it. Wow, it looks quite amazing. Let's peel this off. Amazing guys, amazing. Looks incredible. So let's boot up the device first. Yeah, let's wait until it gets started. So I'll quickly set up this device and I'll be back. Just a second. Here is second. So we have done setting up the device. So here is our device, Mi 11X Pro. I have put the cover, and let's see how it looks like. Let me show you the near view. So here you can see, here it is 108 megapixel camera, one ultra wide angle, one telemacro lens, and one depth sensor. As we all know, latest device doesn't come with 3.5mm audio jack nowadays. So it feels quite premium in the hand, and I've done it has having some smudges. It has a glass back, that's the reason. So that's all about this device. I will use it and I will create a review on it after a few days. I will done the latest update, and that's all. I will share the review about the camera and the performance and the gaming capabilities, etc. We will perform all kind of steps, and as we all know, I'm here for you. I'll share anything you want. Please subscribe to our channel. and have a great day. Thank you so much.